Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with the latest BTC update. As you can see, the AI profit trend trader gave me correct signal over here. I just sold it once this particular support was broken, that is 9750, and uh, and I sold it here. And you can see there's a huge dump on 10th of May. This particular indicator will also get auto trend lines. These trend lines are carefully drawn with consideration of pivot points. You can see all the highs are taken care, and see this particular sell off. It started from here, and see it came to this particular trend line. Now it is facing BTC is facing resistance at 8920. Today is 10th of May, 8920. Still our indicator didn't tell us to buy. It tell us to sold at 9750. But one mistake I did is I didn't use leverage. I just sold it with 1x because BTC was unstable. So I tried to become very careful. Uh, had I used 10x, at least 10x leverage, it would have been a clear 200x, 200% return. But it's okay. Uh, you can see how the trend line is drawn for this. Uh, Auto trend lines are drawn because anyway, if you see the accuracy of this particular indicator is 87.76 with a profit factor of 56.772. I'm trading a 2-hour chart, and since it is giving accuracy of 86%, it's more than enough. But for us to have a double confirmation, so I added trend line feature also. So since the trend line is drawn, you can be confident that this particular signal is respected on the trend line, like it is on the trend line. So that means you can go long. So using these trend lines, now the accuracy can go up to 90-95%. See, it will not show you false signals. See, once the trend line, when the resistance is happened here, and it told us to sell and didn't tell us to buy here. It waited, and once this particular trend line is broken, then only it told us to buy, and again it told us to sell here because there is one more trend line. It's coming here. See, that's why it told us to sell here. I have designed this indicator based on it. It also considers pivot points also. That's why you can see wherever trend line is respected, it is telling us to buy. Wherever trend line is rejected, it is telling us to sell. See, it respected here, so it asked us to buy here, and there was a rejection here, but the strength was high. Again, it came here. You can see a M pattern here, double double top. See, exactly at the second top, it gave us sell signal. Come here, there's a trend line drawn automatically. It told us to buy here. Again, there was a resistance here from this trend line. It told us to sell here. Again, this trend line is respected. Again, it told us to buy here. See how nicely it jumped here. Again, there was a resistance from these two top. Again, it told us to sell here. But this trend line, it was telling us to buy because the price respected this trend line. And see, we got a nice jump here from here to here. So we got a jump from 7570 to 9528. Again, it told us to sell. Again, if you carefully analyze this particular indicator, its accuracy is more than 90% with trend line. So you can double sure of your trade. I'm using XBT BitMEX. But one mistake I did here is I should have used leverage. But since the market was very volatile, I didn't use leverage. But I'm happy this particular trend line, this particular AI profit trend trader gave me proper sell signal at the early only. See a double bottom, no, sorry, double top has happened here. It waited, then it told no, the price is not pushing further, so just better to sell. So it gave me red triangle here to sell. Price retested, but it didn't tell us to buy. Again, again, it is not telling us to buy yet. Once a particular trend is changed, then only it will tell us to buy. I'm waiting for a buy signal. One advice is don't buy now. It is retesting it here. Again, it will come to this level. You can buy at this level, or you can buy at this level. See, it's retesting this particular trend line. This is becoming resistance here. Once, if the price, if the next candle breaks this price, then we can see resistance at 9381. See, it will exactly, it will become a resistance zone here. So because this trend line is also there. So this is the demo of AI profit trend trader, what it can do for your trade. I've added trend line function, so it is taking it to another level only. See, this particular trend line is respected and told you to buy at 48338. It got the bottom here, it told you to buy at 3958. There's one more trend line, it came here. Trend line is broken. It didn't give us sell signal because trend line is broken. It gave sell signal here. See, there's a trend line here, then the price reached this particular trend line, couldn't break, that's why it gave sell signal in this particular candle. You can use this particular indicator on any platform, and this is carefully written indicator based on various factors. I have given weights for momentum, for ADX values, for stochastics, everything. If you don't want, you can hide this trend line, but I would suggest you use trend lines. How to get this particular indicator? You will see all the details in the description box below this your YouTube subscribe button, and please subscribe to my channel because there will be a lot more of these type of videos coming soon. There will be videos about free indicators, but there also be different educational videos how to trade in a volatile market, how to be efficient. But if you don't want anybody to help you, if you want to be on your own, you can purchase these indicators from me, and I'm sure that this will make a huge difference in your trading game plan. You have to just follow this indicator. There are so many indicators out there in the market, but everybody tells it's 70% accurate, it's 60% accurate, but nobody has the guts to show this particular image. Like, see, 87.76. You cannot bring this particular number only because it's a back tested number. So computer has to show you this particular number. Suppose if I change it to 4 hour, let us see how this particular indicator will perform. It's 70.37% now. 2 hours, 87.76%. So you can see average trade here, 28.31% average trade, and max drawdown. Max to max, it has lost you 2.28% of the money. You can see how this particular indicator behaves, and the backtest is from 1st of February. So if you want to get access to this particular indicator, you can join my Telegram channel. I will post the description of the link and description of the Telegram channel below. So what all services you will get? You will get free signals, you will get free indicators, all the pro version indicator for free if you purchase this particular indicator. So there are so many things you will get for free. And once we reach some number of subscribers, I would also give free giveaway of laptops or iPhone or Realme mobile phones to at least 10 people. So there's so many things that are coming, but this particular indicator definitely will will be a game changer for you. So since I trade less in Bitmex, but I take quality trades. That's why I use 2 hour time frame. There are so many people that are using 15 minutes time frame, but I'm comfortable with 2 hours because I have some other work. Because I'm working for a company, IT company, so I have to do that. So uh, I take quality trades. I take less trades, but quality trades. I took trade here. I couldn't sell here, but I took a trade. I took a trade with 20x leverage here in this particular region. I couldn't sell here. I missed it, but uh, glad I that glad that I followed this particular signal, and market dumped right after that. It was a huge dump. Suddenly it crashed to somewhere around 7,900 as well. So yes, this will be a game changer for you guys, definitely, with no doubt about it. And there are very few indicators which can give this type of performance. And there are so many people who will tell that this is this much percent profitable, that much percent profitable. If that is much percent profitable, you should show it in the back test. But nobody will do that because they know maximize they can get around 50% or 48% back test profit. So I'm open. I told it here. Even I showed you if you change to 4 hours because I optimize it for 2 hours. You can change the AI regression value, and you can suppose if you are working for 15-minute time frame, you can change the AI regression value. All those information for which time frame, what is the AI to be regression to be used, all those information I will be giving in a Word document with a proper document for you guys. You just have to configure it and just leave it, set an alert, and then you'll get alerts here. You can uh, start following that. I've added this trend line function also because I thought I have to improve the performance of this indicator. I think it is increased